How to record the screen in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to control center, and here you can see no screen record icon here. Then simply press and hold on blank space, and then click on add a control, and here you can see a screen recording icon. Then simply click on screen recording icon, and it will be added on your control center. Then simply click on blank space, it will be added, and if you want to start, then simply one click, it will be start, and stop only one click, and press and hold. Here you can turn on mic or turn off mic here, and here you can select a app where you save this recording, and you can select photos, and if you want to turn on mic, then simply click to turn on and start recording here. This is the example of screen recording in iPhone 16 Pro Max, and if you want to stop it, then simply click on this red icon, and here you can stop it. And if you want to stop another way, then simply swipe down and simply click on this screen recording icon. It will be stopped and saved in your gallery. Here you can check your video will be saved in your gallery. So this is the way to record the screen in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.